So good day, sir. This is Midshipman Mahinay discussing the watertight integrity and the importance of keeping it within the ship. Watertight integrity on a ship refers to the ability of its hull and internal compartments to prevent water from entering, especially ensuring that the vessel remains afloat even if a section is damaged. By maintaining sealed, watertight bulkheads and closing devices like doors and hatches across different compartments, which is crucial for the safety of the ship and its crew in case of flooding or breaches. Without proper tight integrity, a ship could rapidly flood and sink. So kaning watertight integrity, sir, kay mo refer na siya sa ability sa hull and the internal compartments para ma-prevent ang tubig ba kanang ug na magaling makasod kay bisan pag nanay na damage or nga buslot pa diha kay padayon niya kung siya glutaw. So this is the importance of keeping watertight integrity within the ship. Containment of flooding. Compartment limits water ingress to a specific section of the ship, preventing to spread the other areas. This containment allows the vessel to retain buoyancy and reduce the risk of sinking. So kaning containment of flooding or containment of So kaning containment of flooding, sir, kay ang compartmentation malimit niya ang water ingress sa specific nga part sa ship, tas mo na ma-prevent ang pagkatay sa kuan ba ubang parte. So tungod ato mo nang mabilin ang buoyancy niya, minusan ang risk sa sinking.
Good day, sir. This is Midshipman Bodyungan explaining the effects of compartmentation of watertight integrity. Enhance stability. By restricting water to designated compartments, compartmentation minimizes weight shifts that could reduce stability, prevents a significant rise in the center of gravity, and helps maintain an adequate metacentric height. Ang enhanced stability is iyang i-minimize ang weight sa ship para ma-reduce ang stability sa vessel. Improve damage tolerance. Ship with robust compartmentation can survive breaches to hull as flooding is confined to a limited number of compartments. This is particularly critical in collisions, grounding, or battle damage in naval vessels.